Welcome to day number 8 of the 15-minute 28-day challenge. The move of today is going to be called lifting the sky. It's a very simple move, very flexible, very useful. You will find it in most Qigong routines. First, let's open. 3 intentful corrections. Body, breath, and mind. Lifting the sky. Fingers rotate in, so the wrist rotate. Fingers point toward each other like you're pressing down in front of you. The arms just move up, overhead, and you look overhead. Your eyes follow your hands. And you press up. And then the arms float down. So from the side, that looks like, rotate the wrist, fingers pointed together, like you're pressing down, you're looking down, eyes following the hands, even if your eyes are closed, pressing up, floating down. The breathing is inhale up, exhale down. Pause as you're rearranging your hands. Breathe in, press, and pause your breathing. And breathe out, arms float down. Inhale up, press, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. You can do this seated as well, just on the edge of your bed. It's a great stretch in the morning, especially if you are a side sleeper. Get your shoulders relaxed, stretched out. Movement, shoulder rotates to the front and up and out to the sides. So it's a good movement for the shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out. So you can do this by itself like 20 times. And this is a great exercise to form a habit. Just show up. Do this 20 times. A very nice exercise to do on its own. 2 minutes, the 2-minute drill, just lifting the sky. Let's put it in the 5-phase routine for a 15-minute routine. Entering Zen. Entering a Qigong state of mind. 3 intentful corrections. Body, neutral position, ergonomic neutral position, Wuji stance. Toes pointed forward, knees softly bent, feet about shoulder width or hip width apart. Sink the tailbone a little bit like you're sitting in a tall chair. Bottom part of your body is heavy, bottom heavy. Top light, float the head. Breathe in long, slow, deep breaths. Inhale through the nose if you can, float the head. Exhale with a sigh of relief, making the ha sound through the mouth. Sink, relax, settle. Breathing in, breathing out. Head to toe relaxation. Try to feel your scalp. So we're using interoception, the feeling, being able to feel our body. Internal. This is an internal art. So we try to feel the state of our scalp. Is it tense? Are we tight? Relax the top of the head. Soften the skin, soften the muscles, soften the forehead. Let the mouth and face drop down. Relax. Relax the throat. How about the back of the head? All the muscles where we hold the stress, the jade pillow where our skull, the base of our head meets the pillow. Relax. Relax the neck. Relax the shoulders, the arms, the fingers, all the muscles of the back. Lower back, hips, glutes, front of the hips, quads, shins, calves. Breathe in, float. Breathe out, sink. Feel the weight on the soles of your feet. Breathe in, and it's like you're just shuffling off all the stress. One more time. Smile from the heart. Enjoy your breathing. Place your attention at your heart center. Smile from your heart. Let the joy well up inside of you, fill you up, and blossom out. In effect, a blessing to others and to yourself. Get your heart energy going. Rotate the wrists so the thumbs rotate inward, the fingers rotate inward to point at each other, like you're pressing down. Rotate up, your eyes close, but your head follows the hand movement. It's like you're looking up at your hands, but your eyes are closed. Press up, fingertips up, straighten up, arms float down. Breathing in, arms float up, press. Breathing out, hands float down. Inhale up, press. Exhale, down. Reset the hands. They go up as we breathe in. They go down as we breathe out. Link your breath to your motion so that if you're going a little bit faster or slower than me, that you are inhaling as your hands float up and you're exhaling as your hands go down. There's a natural pause at the bottom and the top. Good. Relax. Enjoy this exercise. Enjoy your breathing, the gentle stretch, linking your breath with your motion. Mindful movement. Now I want you to stop thinking about the exercise. Don't worry. Just enjoy and loosen up and relax. Breathing in as your arms go up. Breathing out if your arms go down. Inhale up. Exhale down. The exercise can even change. Might not even look like it did before. We're breathing in, breathing out, moving up, moving down. Relax and soften the whole body. Try to find areas of any stress and try to just toss it off. Soften, relax, move, and allow your body to intuitively move on its own. Just soften, let it come. Let your body throw off the stress. Unwinding. Then slowly let it wind down. Move your attention back to your center, beneath your belly button. Center of balance inside your body. Come back to the standing position, ergonomic neutral position, Wu-Ji stance. Wu-Ji stance. Enjoy the stillness. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the tranquility. Then with your eyes closed, rub your hands together. Warm up your eyes. Blink open your eyes. Lift your palms. Dry wash your face. Rub your ears. Rub your hands. If you can, rub your feet. Thank you for joining me. This was the Qigong exercise, Lifting the Sky.